All right, week 26, day 2. We're focused on advanced interaction, and we are looking at day 2 at an informative hover state. To provide just a little bit of guidance on this, oftentimes it is beneficial to sit back and think about why you would have an informative hover state, why you're streamlining it without hover, what additional information surfaces on hover, why you're requiring a hover state to show that interaction. You want to get fairly complex. Think about how this then translates over to devices where hovering is not a thing, mobile devices or other devices that simply don't have a cursor. So it could be a mode of a device that supports a particular person with a particular ability, or it could just be, again, a mobile device where most of them don't have a hover effect or the hover capability. And create a hover state that reveals more detail without overwhelming the user. There are a number of reasons you might do that, to create a scannable list that then allows someone to explore without an entire page load and to lose the context within which that item sat. So product preview, file details, profile card expansion. And again, relatively straightforward. It may be good to mock up your start and finish state and then think about how to connect them from an animation perspective, and an interaction perspective, and think through why you would reveal it and how things would reveal as you hovered. So there is a little bit of animation and information disclosure and how it happens when you actually hover. So it's not just about the beginning state and the end state. It's about how it transitions from one to the other in a meaningful way. So again, advanced interaction, we're talking about multiple complex, nuanced things that happen in sort of a short period of time with potentially low initiated engagement from the users, and potentially doing fairly complex things with a lot of complex considerations. So I look forward, again, not only to seeing how you solve this from a UI perspective, but what context you put, what solution you're solving with this informed hover state. And I will see you on day 3.